For those of you that have never used filewave before, it's down here on the bottom bar of your screen. So you've got your clock, your sound. If you click the little up button, filewave is these two little red wave looking things. When you click that, you get this program. Yours is going to look different from mine because I have a teacher load and you guys have a student load, but you're going to look for the one that says Adobe Premiere Elements 15. They do go alphabetically. So like here's mine. You're going to hit the install button. Once you hit the install button, this could take a couple hours. It could take a couple minutes. However, if you wait to do this until you get back to school, it will take a couple hours and you'll be behind the next day. Okay? So download Adobe Premiere Elements 15. You also need to find the one that says Mixcraft 5, which I do not have, but it should be in between these two for me. Mixcraft 5, hit install on that. Once you start the installation, you can close that. You don't have to keep it open on your computer, but your computer does have to stay on and plugged in because it does take some battery. If you don't have filewave down here in your menu, then you'll need to run a couple group updates. If after 3 group updates you still don't have access to filewave, you need to send Mrs. Kankowski a message in here. So you go into your inbox, and one of the courses that you should have is the class of 2027. Anita Kankowski, type her name in there for you, Kankowski. She will pop up as one of the people you can send it to, and you can let her know you don't have filewave in the programs you are trying to get. Also send me that message as well so that I know why you're not ready for class the next day. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.